Okay guys, my name's BC14 and yes guys, what we will be doing today guys is a bonfire night special. So yeah guys, comment down below if you guys are going to a bonfire display. So comment down below about that, and guys I will be doing another video showing you the fireworks, and that's about 10 seconds or 5 seconds. So yeah, let's carry on with the video. And guys, we will be reacting to Tekka's Kid. And guys, this will be I have watched 11 seconds of it. So yeah, let's do this. Bam. There we go. No. Turn up.
But today is going to be a very, very, very scary video. Wow. For Lorenzo, it's not for us. We're just going to chill, sit back and watch it and enjoy. Laugh as much as you can. Because Lorenzo is about to walk through the woods alone in the dark. Now, before some of you guys will be like, hang on, isn't Lorenzo like 8 years old? How can he walk through the woods on his own? Well, obviously we've got to make it as safe as possible. So we are going to be close by, obviously. But he doesn't know that. And to make it interesting as well, me and Meadow are going to be wearing some scary costumes as well, and it's going to be find us like lurching in the woods and stuff, so it's going to be kind of funny. If you're cool to see his reaction, an 8-year-old's reaction in the dark woods, and when I say dark,
Wow.
it's actually dark outside.
I like you. Wow. I wouldn't do that, but a prank, please, it's a prank. I think it's a prank anyway. Yeah, prank.
You know how it goes, guys, you lose a challenge on this channel. And you
I think I
face
click
the
the prank
consequences,
button off.
and Lorenzo will face the
It
consequences.
just says a kid, 8-year-old, alone in that woods vlog. So they are wearing scary costumes.
Close the door, close the door. Yo, where's Lorenzo?
He's watching Teen Titans.
He's downstairs. I didn't know you loved Blackpool. That's new.
Barkley's Premier.
Oh, you definitely thought of that earlier. You heard not the sport of that. Anyways, right. You know today is the vlog in the woods today.
And this is on
It's
for
gonna be real scary. So I was just telling you
30
guys,
minutes.
we've got some costumes that we're gonna put on, and when Lorenzo
30
in the woods alone,
And
we're
it's
like creeping in the woods and stuff
19
like that.
seconds.
Yeah.
So
So what we're gonna do, yeah, we'll quickly show them the costumes that we're gonna be wearing, yeah. Then we'll put those costumes in the car, yeah. And when he goes to vlog, yeah, someone will be following behind him. He won't see that person, hopefully, yeah. Well, he'll probably keep looking back, hearing something, but we'll always be able to see him, yeah.
wow.
And then basically we'll appear in the woods in his
If
costume,
I
yeah.
oh,
And we'll get his reaction.
I was
to it.
8
It's gonna
year
be
old,
crazy
Jesus,
funny.
I'm walking
So, what thing is it? I'm going to be telling Lorenzo,
and-
he's going to have to make his way
in,
from one side of the woods
in
to the other.
the woods.
top
I
of
will
the
be
place.
scared.
Yeah? You can
I'm being
literally
scared
walk
too,
the whole
jeez.
track and get through the woods. Okay, so we'll see
Wow.
how brave he is. Yeah? Another thing as well, I've got this bright, shiny light now. Yeah? So, there's no excuse. He'll be able to see what's in front of him. And it's going to be really, really funny. So, should we get the start and show him what it looks like? Okay, so we've got the clothes on. Mello, come in.
What a speaker.
Mello got the clown suit
Wow.
that I was wearing the other day. Oh my god, you look so scary. I swear down. Oh, wait, hold the camera, hold the camera. Come on. I was just going to look in the woods.
You've got to be turned different.
Okay, I know some of you are thinking we do nothing that scary at the moment,
tell the
but
difference.
trust me,
Do it there.
in the woods,
Just sometimes it
it's
crashes.
super dark.
So just let me do this.
You can't make it
Swear.
work properly, you can only see silhouettes, yeah.
There we go. It does that.
Yeah, you know,
There we go.
It's
There I
going to
am.
be very, very scary. But yeah, let's go and get ready and tell him that we're going to go into the woods now. So, Lorenzo, it's finally that time. Are you ready? He's really busy. Mate, if you don't do this forfeit yet, you will never hear the end of it, man. Are you okay to do it? Alright, I'm going to give you one chance here. One chance. If you say no, I mean it really, we don't have to do it. It's just a joke anyway. Do you want to do it? You're going to be brave?
Yeah.
Okay, give me your hand. Let's hope it goes well. Let's get in the car and let's go to the woods.
So guys, I am just about going into the woods, and I'm not that scared. I'm a little bit nervous, but yeah, I think it's gonna go okay. I think it's gonna be dark. It's gonna be scary. Yeah, but I don't think it's gonna be that scary. Yeah. So we are going to be off to the woods in a minute. I'm going to be off to the woods, into the woods on my own, vlogging with you. How terrifying is that? How terrifying is it? If I can walk through this woods, yeah, that means you have to drop a like in this video. And can we get 25,000 likes on this video? It'd be absolutely amazing. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to not wait every time I make a video. Anyways, let's get to the woods.
We have got everything. And we have to go downstairs really silently. Because the result is me. I'm speaking to you now. That means he's gonna find out. And then it's gonna go all wrong. So watch me look.
Renzo.
Yeah.
Oh, it's that moment, mate.
I know.
We're at the woods. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
There's one light there, but once you get into those woods,
Yeah.
there is going to be no light at all.
Oh.
Are you going to be okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? You sure?
Yeah.
Jeez. Alright, let me just put that window down because it looks crazy dark out there, man. My gosh. Oi,
Check. Yep.
rather you than me. Rather you than me.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay, let's do this. Right then, so we're at the woods now, yeah? Listen up. We gotta do this perfectly. It's gotta be perfect. Okay, so what you're gonna do, yeah? As soon as he starts to walk through the woods, yeah, you're gonna creep up behind him, yeah, and hide. Make sure you can see him the whole time, yeah? Make sure you can see him.
Right, we're just walking into the woods now. But we're gonna walk you down just a little bit and then you're on your own, mate. Alright. If you bump into any spooky people, just drop the camera, scream,
Yeah,
and
but I
run.
can't run back. Come on, foot.
Come on.
Oh, now here comes. Oh, he's walking now.
It's light is actually happening there. You can kind of see a little bit in front. Right, do you want to hold it to the camera?
Yeah.
Just hold it.
Am I on my own now?
Walk a little bit further and I'll walk with you. Just to this tree.
Guys, how scary this is. Mad scary. Don't forget, Dad used to live down here in it once.
Yeah, we did.
Oh my gosh, I don't know how people just walk through these woods, man. Well, I can't see now.
Right, baby.
Yeah?
See
Bye.
you later.
Bye. Oh guys, your mum's gone. I'm terrified right now. I think some. What was that? Me. Is something gonna happen? Don't know. Oh. I'm so scared right now. I'm gonna be quiet because I think something will jump out and freak the hell out of me. If anything comes out, I won't drop you guys. I'll just run with you. Okay.
I think that's.
Anyways.
Never mind, well, they're behind him. Oh. And that's his brother.
Man.
And that's if.
I should know Ross.
And that's if. You were wondering. Wondering, I mean.
Oh
Not
gosh,
wondering.
man. So scary. Hey, what's that sound? Oh, it's fireworks. Oh, I like the sound of fireworks. That helps me when I'm in the dark sometimes. think something bad's gonna happen. You know, I'm not lying. I'm not lying. I think someone's gonna jump out. I can tell. What was that? Oh, I just want to get out of here. I'm gonna leave.
But there could be a part 1 on this, so yeah.
Get out of here.
There could be part 1.
Still. Oh my gosh, we're walking forward. We're walking forward. We're walking forward. Don't be scared. 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 Hello. Oh, so annoying. So guys, I'm about halfway. I can't even see a thing.
Oh, there he is.
A little bit, so I can't really see.
Oh no! Oh. Oh no way!
That was good. You're right. You okay? You okay? You sure? Too scared? Oh my God, your heart is racing, man. Right, Lorenzo, you've done really well, man. I swear down. You dropped the camera, you're gonna be sick. Hey, mate, I'm telling you, yeah. If I was 8 years old, there is no way I'm walking through the woods. So you know what? You gotta give yourself a pat about me. Honestly, you've done so well. So well. You could have carried this on for a lot longer in the middle. But I just think it's not fair. You're too young.
I'm pranking you next Friday.
Oh, you've done really, really well. So you know what? Let's go back to the car thing.
So guys, I'm back home from the woods and that was so scary.
You done
I couldn't run
quite-
Serious.
Quite good.
Bad leg.
Quite good then. Wow.
Had a bad leg.
I feel like
That's right, that's right.
I feel like can you,
Yeah. But,
I know you. Oh jeez.
can I just say, you've done alright, didn't you?
Yeah, I didn't get that scared.
I've
Yeah,
done
you didn't really
of like I've done that at all.
You did well.
wouldn't-
You had it back in six. You
wouldn't
ran off, yeah.
I've done
You ran
that.
off, you were
Wow.
fighting your life, rude boy. You ran for your life.
I was fighting you. I was like,
Yeah, just about. But it was good though. It was good fun. You
Good video.
want to do it again?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think do it again. Pamela. Oh, you have to do something again. You got to Pamela again, innit?
So guys, that's it for me today. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to and subscribe. I'll catch you next kid out.
And yeah guys, this will be the end of the video. And yeah guys, please like, comment and subscribe, and yeah guys, peace out.